Today we're gonna to show my neighbor's cat. Yeah, like my neighbor's cat. What are you looking at? Yeah, my brother was just looking. Wait, okay. Yeah, I'm talking about the cat for now because I want. This is the neighbor. So first, this is because there's people in my house. This is another house, not my house. So let's wait. So I'm gonna show my cat. He's here. Yeah, I don't know if he's here. So let's come. Wait. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, doesn't work kind of. Yeah, because I don't know where's the cat. I need him to be. Hey you, can you show me where's the cat? Hey you, can you show me where's the cat? Okay. I did not make middle finger, guys. Yeah. So now where's? Whoa. I think she's sleeping. She's sleeping in somewhere. I'm not scared. She's sleeping somewhere. She might be sleeping somewhere. Come here. Yep, she's sleeping. Come, she's sleeping. Okay, so let me show you guys. Is she actually sleeping? Say never saw her. Come on. Okay. Guys, so let me see it. Yeah, guys. But make sure to subscribe, guys. Okay, so my it's okay if you see someone. Wait. Okay, someone is talking. Yeah, we're just. So let's come. Okay, guys, I'm finding the cat. It's nowhere. No. So my kind of like a thing here. We have a problem now. I'm gonna tell him. Wait, there he is. Okay, there it is. Okay, there's my cat. There's the neighbor's cat. Oh no. Okay, he's kind of like a. Here he is. Yeah, you can see him. I don't know. Like she's okay. She's just like a thing that's in my house. Okay, there it is. Okay. Hello? I wanna touch. What the heck? I don't think I shouldn't come here. I don't think there she is. But kind of okay, hello? Come on, listen to me. Okay, there he is. Okay. Her? Okay. He's literally gonna freak. Oh! Whoa, bro. I thought he was. Yeah, guys. He's kind of angry. Hello? I don't know who. I don't know if she can say Spaniel. Yeah, she can't. Okay, I hope she doesn't move. Don't move. I don't know. Okay. Kind of it's not like it's real. Yeah. Make sure to subscribe. Why?